Welcome to MGC Learning. Students, today I am going to teach you the subject Bookkeeping and Accountancy, and the topic name is Accounts of Not for Profit Concern, which is called as NPO. Let's read the problem, understand the problem, and we'll do it. Bhartiya Kala Kendra, Sholapur gives you the following information for the year ended 31st March 2018. Prepare income and expenditure account for the year ending 31st March 2018. Again, they're only asking you income and expenditure account. Receipt and payment account for the year ended 31st March 2018 as follows. Now, so this is your receipt and payment account. Again, I will tell you receipt and payment is a cocktail of income and revenue statement. Receipt and payment is a cocktail of income and revenue. Now, see, balance brought down, cash in hand, cash at bank. This is the balance sheet of last year. This is a balance sheet of last year. Local rent. See, local rent is okay na, when हम लोग भी मॉल में इसमें पिकनिक पे जाते हैं. So every time whenever you go for a picnic, you take a locker, and for that you pay a rent. So that is a regular income. Entrance fees. There is an adjustment, so I have put a red mark on it. Sale of old newspaper, it's also an revenue. Receive from drama, they might have done some drama for that. From there they have received this much of money. Legacy, interest on government security, miscellaneous receipts. So all are revenue except cash in hand and cash at bank. Stationery, again a revenue expenditure. Furniture purchase. Now see, furniture is an asset, so this will go in directly in the balance sheet. Investment in government security. Again, this will go in the balance sheet. Now see, can you see expenses from drama? Here you are having one thing, expenses from drama, and here you are having receive from drama. See this, you can find the connection between these two. एक ड्रामा बना होगा जिसके लिए आपने ये रिसीव किया था, ये इसमें से खर्चा क्या है. सो द डिफरेंस विल बी आइदर योर एक्सपेंस और इनकम. नाउ सी, यू हैव रिसीव्ड 9,000 and you have done the expenses 3,000. So 6,000 is your income. Postage and telegram, again revenue. Magazines and newspaper, again revenue. Salary, revenue. Cash in hand and cash at bank is an balance sheet item. This will go directly in the balance sheet. Yes, so we have, this is cash at bank and cash in hand. Then you have some adjustment. What are the adjustment? Legacy are to be capitalized. Now see, this legacy expenses have to be capitalized. That means full amount will directly go into the balance sheet. Outstanding salary 200. Outstanding salary, we have become very expert. Outstanding matlab you will be adding in salary, and second effect, as it is an expense, it will come on liability. 50% of entrance fees is to be capitalized. 15 capitalized karna, that means 50 is a revenue. Okay students, chalo now let's start with the problem. Now we'll first post the receipt and payment account. Now first, receipt goes in income, payment goes in expenditure. Do you remember it? I have already told you. ऑपोजिट में जाना है. देखो, एक्सपेंडिचर इधर है और पेमेंट इधर है, तो यहां से यहां जाएगा. और रिसीव देखो इधर है और इनकम क्रेडिट साइड में. सो बोथ ऑफ देम गोज टू इन ऑपोजिट साइड. नाउ कैश इन हैंड, कैश इन बैंक इज अ बैलेंस शीट item. You don't have to touch it. Locker rent. So locker rent is your income. So you'll write here by locker rent. Yes, how much is your locker rent? 400 rupees. No adjustment, directly in the outer column. Directly in the outer column. Okay. After locker rent, it is entrance fees. By entrance fees. How much is the entrance fees? 2,900. There is an adjustment, so I'll be writing in the inner column. Sale of old newspaper. So you'll write here by sale of old newspaper. paper. Yes, how much you got by the sale of old newspaper? 250 rupees. No adjustment, directly in a outer column. Receipt from drama. So again, red I have made it yellow. So we'll write inside column by receipt. Receipt from drama. Okay, chalo. How much is a receipt from drama? It was 9,000. So receipt from drama 9,000. Legacy. I have put an adjustment, and then when by reading the adjustment we saw it. It is 100% to be capitalized. So you'll be directly transferring into the balance sheet. Interest from government security and miscellaneous receipt. So you'll write here. This is, we'll keep one line because there is some adjustment. So you'll write here by interest on government securities. Yes, no adjustment, directly outer column 400, and then by miscellaneous receipt. Miscellaneous means okay, छोटे मोटे कुछ भी पैसे आए होंगे, receipt. Okay, so by miscellaneous receipt, again it is 400. Okay students, so by this way I have completed a posting of my receipt side. Locker rent I have done, entrance fees, sale of newspaper, receipt from drama, legacy, government expenses. Chalo, stationery. No adjustments, so directly you write here to stationery. Yes, to stationery. How much is the stationery? 600 rupees. So I've written here to stationery 600. Purchase of furniture, investment in government security, both will not come because both are capital expenditure directly in balance sheet. Expense of drama. So expense of drama will be less from receipt of drama. So this is less expenses. Yes. How much is the expenses? 3,000. So 9,000 minus 3,000 is 6,000. Okay. So expenses of drama, postage 450, magazines and newspaper 600. So you'll write here 2 postage. How much? 450. And then 2 magazines and newspaper. Yes. How much was for magazines and newspaper? It was 600 rupees. Now see, expenses ho gaya, postage, magazines and newspaper. Salary 4,400. It has an adjustment, so I'll be writing in the inner column by to salary. Yes. How much was the salary? 4,400. Okay. Expenses, cash in and cash at bank. Again, cash in and cash at bank is an balance sheet item. Directly it will go into the balance sheet asset side. Legacy is to be capitalized. So we have not done the entry in at all in the statement. Salary outstanding 200. Now add the outstanding salary. So here I'll write here add outstanding. Yes, how much is the outstanding salary? 200. So total comes to 4,600. The second entry will come in liability side, which we are not dealing it right now. 50% of entrance fees is to be capitalized. 50% is to be capitalized. So that means 50% you have to write here. So less 50% capitalize. Okay, 50% capitalized. So what is 50%? it is 1450. Am I correct? So 50% here, 1450. So by this we have completed the whole posting and all the adjustment. Now what is remaining? Only the totaling. As I have told you, will be the totaling of both the side. We have done the totaling every now and then. So totaling will be done of both the side. Chalo. First debit card total will be doing, and then we'll be doing a credit card total. Yes. 600 plus 450 plus 600 plus 4600. So your total is coming to 6250. So here 6250. Chalo, yahan ka bhi total, we will see the total of this credit side also. That is income side also. It is 400 plus 1450 plus 250 plus 6000 plus 400 plus 400. So the total comes to 8900. So here the total is, obviously your income side is bigger, so it is 8900. Here also you'll write 8900. And what is the difference? The difference is minus 6250. So your difference is coming to 2650. So your difference is 2650, and you'll rub this off as I have told you, correct? So and what this is called as? This is called as to surplus, which will be transferred to balance sheet. Okay, got it, students? Yes, understanding it. And the next problem in which you will be doing income and expenditure plus balance sheet. Chalo student, thank you. Have a good day. Enjoy learning with MJC Learning.